Python is a popular computer programming language. It's known for being easy to learn and use. Python is versatile and can be used for many things. People use it to create websites, analyze data, and automate tasks. Python is beginner-friendly. Its syntax is clear and readable. This makes it a great choice for those starting their coding journey. Don't be afraid of errors. They are part of the learning process. Python has a large and supportive community. There are countless resources available online and offline. You can find tutorials, documentation, and communities dedicated to Python. Learning Python opens doors to exciting possibilities. Whether you're interested in web development, data science, or automation, Python has something to offer. Let's embark on this coding adventure together. Before we start coding, we need to set up our Python environment. Think of it as getting your tools ready. First, you'll need to download Python from the official website. It's free and available for different operating systems. Once downloaded, install it like any other software on your computer. After installation, you can start coding using Python's built-in IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. IDLE provides a simple text editor to write and run your Python code. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Python environment. Now you're ready to start writing your first lines of code. In Python, variables are like containers for storing information. Imagine them as labeled boxes where you can put different things. You create a variable by giving it a name and assigning it a value using the equals sign. Data types tell Python what kind of information a variable holds. For example, hello world is a string while the number 10 is an integer. Python uses different data types like text, numbers, and true or false values. Here's an example. Name equals Alice. This is a string variable. Age equals 30. This is an integer variable. In this example, name and age are variables holding the values Alice and 30 respectively. Understanding variables and data types is crucial for writing meaningful Python programs. Section 4. Adding logic with loops and conditionals. Loops and conditionals bring logic and control flow to your Python programs. They allow your code to make decisions and repeat actions. If statements check if a condition is true and execute code accordingly. Python temperature equals sign 25 if temperature 30, else. This code checks the temperature and prints a message based on the condition. Loops, on the other hand, repeat code multiple times. Python for I in range, 5. This loop will print, hello, 5 times. Mastering loops and conditionals empowers you to write smarter and more efficient Python code. Section 5. Functions, your code's handy helpers. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help organize your code and make it more efficient. You define a function using the def keyword, followed by the function name and parentheses. Python def, greet, name, print, fellow, name, greet, Bob. This code defines a function called greet that takes a name as input and prints a greeting. Functions can return values, making them versatile tools for various programming tasks. By breaking down your code into functions, you can make it more modular and easier to manage. Functions are essential for writing complex Python programs. Section 6. Keep exploring the world of Python. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of Python. You've learned about setting up your environment, variables, data types, loops, conditionals, and functions. Remember, practice is key. Keep experimenting, building small projects, and exploring new concepts. There are tons of free resources available online. Websites like Code Academy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp offer interactive Python courses. Don't be afraid to ask questions and join online communities. As you gain confidence, you can dive into more advanced topics. Explore areas like web development, data science, or machine learning. The possibilities with Python are endless. Keep coding, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun.